welcome once again to my YouTube channel. It's Ima. Tonight I invited a very special guest. He has 17 years of experience in culinary arts. Not only in India, he has worked in Italy, California, and now in Qatar. He has been here for 3 years working with us as well. Last year, he managed production for the F&B concessions program at the FIFA Arab Cup. And I remember in 2019, he won the bronze medal in Qatar Salon Culinaire for Indian cuisine live cooking. I have a very lengthy introduction for him because he has so many credentials. Chef Rajesh Narasimman, Executive Chef, and our kitchen manager. Good evening, Chef.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you, and thank you very much.
It's my pleasure to get back in Indian cuisine.
Oh yeah, yes.
After a long time.
You were gone for a while, right?
Yeah, almost 2 years now I'm out from this.
Yes. Let me just tell them why I'm doing this biryani.
Sure.
Okay. Reason being is I invited Chef because he will help us even enhance the flavor of our existing chicken biryani in our Glasshouse Cafe restaurant. So
Really honor for me to do that.
thank you, Chef. Uniquely for us. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chef. Go ahead, Chef.
Yeah. We start with turmeric here,
Yeah.
and followed by we have a garam masala,
Garam masala.
and we have a cumin powder,
Okay.
and coriander powder,
Okay.
chili powder,
Chili powder.
and this is a amchur powder. It's a mango powder.
Mango powder. Okay.
And this is a one more garam masala. Specially, I created this for the biryani.
Oh, okay.
Okay, black salt,
Black salt, yeah.
and there's our normal
Normal salt, yeah.
regular salt.
Yeah.
And we have a cashew nut, which is a
Cashew nut.
roasted, and the chili powder in the oil. And we have a saffron.
Yeah.
We have a cumin seeds. This is a fennel seeds.
Okay.
We have a peppercorn,
Yeah.
white sesame seeds,
Okay.
cashew nut,
Okay.
peanut, yogurt for the marinations.
Okay.
And we have a 3 kind of fat.
Yeah.
So one is a pure cow ghee, and this is a pure ghee, canola oil,
All right.
and mustard oil.
Okay.
Have a lemon juice.
Yes.
This is a mint chutney. This is combination of coriander, mint,
Mint, yes.
and we have a bell peppers
Okay, that's
and green chili.
Yes.
We have used some lemon juice on it, ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste.
The fried onions, and this rice once we soak in the water for 45 minutes. Yeah, the chicken, and here the general garam masala,
Okay.
which is the very main Indian cuisine's spices. Cinnamon stick,
yeah.
as usual we will get. There's a 2 type, one from Sri Lanka, one from
Yes.
India. This is from India.
He's from India.
And this is a star anise seeds.
Yes. Star anise, yes. I
Yes,
know
star
that.
anise, and the clove.
Yeah.
We have a peppercorn here, black pepper,
Yeah.
and cardamom,
yeah.
fennel seeds,
Fennel
and coming back here the bay leaves.
Okay. 24-hour marination for the chicken, for the tandoori, and the biryani.
Yeah,
Can go more.
maximum 48 hours.
Oh, maximum 2 days.
So we're gonna use a 1 kg of chicken
Yes.
and 1 kg of rice. So now we are using a yogurt,
Yogurt,
as a
yeah.
beginning.
Okay.
Use a ginger garlic paste,
Okay. This looks good.
about like 1.5 spoon.
Yeah.
For lemon juice,
Yeah.
about 1 spoon.
Okay.
So we will use about 1 spoon.
Okay.
Chili powder, we have different varieties of chili powder.
Yeah.
This is a Kashmiri chili.
Kashmir chili powder.
Kashmiri chili powder. So I'm going to use like about 3/4 of spoon because
Okay.
we don't know that how spicy the
Exactly.
people. So we will keep it in neutral.
Okay. Neutral lang, especially for Filipinos.
Mango powder.
Mango powder.
Okay. Like about same quantity of chili.
This is the first time I've heard of mango powder.
Yeah, it's we call them amchur powder.
This is the regular salt.
Regular salt.
Regular salt. Okay.
Some chili.
Chili. Oh, here we go.
Some chili.
Here we go. Just some.
Yeah. And we
Okay.
use some mint.
Yeah.
Because mint also one of the key for a biryani to get the flavor.
You see, I didn't know that.
And little bit of coriander
Yes.
because I don't want to get color change.
Yes.
Because it will become more black.
Black. Yes.
So now we are going to mix,
Yes.
and then we will add oil and ghee.
Okay. So now Glasshouse Cafe customers, you can see how the biryani will turn out to be. I wish you could smell this now, but I really can smell it. It's very good.
Yeah.
No worries.
Okay.
And you said it could go up to 48 hours of marination. Right? 24 to 48 hours.
Yes. It will be good.
Yes.
When we do. When we do a meat process, once we've done a meat process, like industrial kitchen, like hotel kitchen, what we used to do, we always prepare our mission places 2 days before, 48 hours, 72 hours before marination.
Nice.
Now we have a hot water here.
Yes.
We need to prepare that water for suitable for the rice.
For the rice.
Yes.
Okay.
So now we're gonna add some salt.
Doing the biryani now.
Okay. Already we added some salt, so I'm going to add
some salt for the water, for the rice. Okay.
And now we use this whole garam masala.
Wow.
Use this. Just one bottle.
Okay.
Small bottle. And like 2-3 cloves.
Yeah.
2-3 cardamom.
Yeah.
Little bit of fennel.
Yeah.
And 1 star anise.
That's the anise.
Yeah.
Just one.
Yeah, just one. And 1 bay leaf.
Big. Yeah.
Okay. And now we use the sajira.
Yes.
Okay.
The one I
which
couldn't spell correctly.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna use. This is the strongest flavor.
Yes.
So we use little bit.
Yes.
Okay.
This is, by the way, sir, for how much quantity of rice?
I'm doing for 1 kg.
1 kg, right?
Yes.
And 1 kg chicken.
Yeah. Now we use oil.
Yes.
It's the same way of cooking a pasta.
Okay.
Why we
yes.
use? Okay,
we
not
put,
to.
we put cooking oil for the pasta as well.
Oil will have like a glaze. I mean,
Yes.
the rice will have a glaze. Green meat. Okay. Not too much. Very less.
Okay.
Because the biryani has a meat flavor more. So now I'm going to use
The ghee.
Yeah.
It is the fat, right?
Okay.
Okay.
About bit.
Okay.
The pan is already hot.
Hot.
And I don't have to wait for till melt.
So instead of oil,
I'm using a
the
ghee.
Okay.
Because oil already we have in the
In
marination.
marination, yes.
So now we use it.
Okay.
Now we use
Okay,
it.
so that's that, right? Marin ba?
So we will
Wow,
put
that's
all I'm going to sear the meat. I'm not going to cook.
Yeah.
Because till the rice is so this is ready.
Okay.
So we're going to put the rice into the water.
Smell it.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
We kept it simmer so it
Okay.
will cook, right? So now we drain the water.
Yeah.
So we are going to dip into
Put the rice now. Okay. Some more water on the pan.
remove
Yes.
all the remaining.
Remaining rice. Remaining grains.
Okay.
Alright.
No spoon, bro. Now we don't want to cook.
Yeah.
It's in the simmer.
Yeah.
Let it be. I'll move it a little while.
Okay.
Is that chicken? It's going to be. We are going to use only raw meat while
Okay.
in the rice is going.
Okay.
Rice we are not going to cook 100%. We
Okay.
will cook 60 to 70% of rice on there.
How long will that take, Chef, for that?
It's approximately like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yes.
It's one of the main.
So just to bind,
Yeah.
to get this yogurt flavor on the
Okay.
meat, oil together. And again we are
Yeah.
going to use a ginger garlic
Ginger
paste.
garlic. I love this ginger garlic paste really.
So same,
Looks
1
very
spoon.
good, smells very good.
One
Almost 2 spoons.
Yeah. And chili powder.
Chili powder.
1 portion of turmeric.
Turmeric.
Okay.
And,
And this is a whole garam masala, a fine cumin powder.
okay. Let's smell it. Looks and smells good. Authentic.
Yes, I'm not using a more color. And nowadays we avoid to use the colors.
Yes. Before, all natural.
Yes.
No red
Because
color.
now
Yeah.
it's all like a developed one.
Yes.
So
Marinated chicken for the tandoori, chicken tandoori, and this is your marinated chicken for the biryani.
biryani
We're gonna put this in the oven.
in the oven.
Okay.
Okay. So this probably maximum like 30 to 35 minutes.
Okay.
So in the same time, when this chicken gets ready, so we will have a biryani
Okay.
and the accompaniment all together in one time.
Ah, okay. 30 to 35 minutes in the oven for the chicken tandoori.
Yes.
Simultaneously,
Yes.
we're gonna do the biryani.
Yes.
So all will be cooked at the same
At
time.
the same time,
Okay.
so we
35
can
minutes.
taste, yeah, becoming. So
Correct.
this is a very important of rice selection.
Yeah.
This onion,
The onion, yes.
the fried onions.
Fried onions.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me take closer.
Yeah.
Let me drain.
Yeah. Look at that.
Need to be
Directly, we're
Yes.
going to put here. Okay. Okay. So chef is now transferring the rice. Long grain. You're
Yeah.
right. Chef used the right rice, the right kind of rice. Okay. Okay. So that's a saffron.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now again,
You will top it with the fried
onion.
Okay.
A little bit.
Okay.
The fresh mint
Fresh mint. Yeah.
on the top.
Yeah.
Okay. Coriander
Yes.
to top.
Yeah.
That's it. A ghee
Okay.
again, little bit, just to top.
Yeah. Okay.
That's it.
Ghee on top.
Yeah. So now we will cover this with the lid.
A little bit. This one. Yeah. But this time we're gonna use it with the cover. Yeah.
Yeah, just we are using the cover, that's
Yeah.
fine. Oil,
Oil. Yeah. Okay.
we need a little bit more.
Okay. Seeds.
2 cloves,
Okay.
half star
Try
anise,
this.
a little bit of cinnamon stick,
Yeah. Splash
a
it.
little bit green chili,
Okay. One
chopped
yeah,
onion.
Okay.
toss them.
I love tomatoes.
Okay.
Anti-cancer.
Yeah.
Beta-carotene.
So I'll keep aside, so
Yeah.
not the spices will not get burnt.
Burn.
I use little bit of turmeric,
Yeah.
coriander. As I say,
Coriander
again the
powder.
coriander needs to be a little bit higher than turmeric. and
Yes.
all. Chili powder. Chili. Garam masala.
Yes.
Very little bit. Very
Okay.
less.
Okay.
Cumin powder. A little bit.
Okay.
So now we mix together.
Yes.
Before it starts getting burnt, we add ginger and garlic paste again.
Ah, okay. Ginger and garlic
Yeah.
paste.
Let it cook nicely.
Looks good. So instead of raita, this will be our sauce for the biryani, right?
We have a raita as well,
Okay.
and this should be more quantity.
Oh, I think I like to have this. I want to eat now. I want to eat now.
It's not, we don't have any additional colors or anything. It's a natural from the spices.
Yes.
We are adding here water.
Water, yeah. The cold would be the raita.
Yeah, because
Okay. Wow. Look at this. And it really tastes good. Sarap. And our tandoori chicken. Ang bango talaga, promise. I can smell it. Wow.
we're gonna taste it along with this.
Along with this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let it be along with them.
Uh-huh. Okay. I Ayan na oh, Glasshouse Cafe. Yeah. That's the cooked biryani, chicken biryani. Bango! I can smell it. Woo! Okay.
I'm just separating this.
Yes.
Little bit rice.
Yeah.
And the balanced rice from here,
Yeah.
I'm mixing it.
Okay. Yeah.
Or we put the meat in the
Okay.
bowl.
Okay.
Yeah.
You avoided the food color
Yeah.
for the health conscious. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, the fried onions.
On top, yes.
Yeah.
Fried onions on top, yeah. Roasted cashew nuts. Yes, biryani is not biryani without the cashew nuts. That's what I heard. And that's our chicken biryani for Glasshouse Cafe. Yay! And the sauce is salan sauce for hot sauce and the raita for the cold sauce.
Yeah.
And this
This
sauce
two
is for
will
the
go here,
yes.
and this will go
one
here.
will be for the tandoori.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Chef.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
And we
Now
should
we have to
taste
taste
it.
it. Yes,
Yeah.
okay. Natin. So let's start with the chicken meat. It's cooked. See? The chef was worried it wouldn't be cooked, but it's actually cooked. Yeah. Chef. So let's
So
try the
taste that
salan
with
sauce
meat.
first. For me, it's perfect.
You should not lie.
No, I'm not lying. No, really. For me, it's perfect. Even this, I love this sauce.
Yeah.
The sauce is wow.
See that? Ambi, Ramesh.
Yeah, really. The smell, the taste is just perfect.
Yeah.
It's a balance of everything.
But most of the here nobody use this kind of techniques.
I love it. So you have to give me the recipe because we're gonna follow it at the Glasshouse Cafe. Yay! Mga taga Glasshouse, look at this.
The plating, the real plating for you. You will select the plates.
Yeah.
You will select the plate, and one more time we will do. Now
Oh.
get you more recipes as well. Chicken, good. It's cooked.
Yeah, I love this sauce. The kick, the smell good. It takes long. It's good. It's cooked. Great. Thank you, Chef. Thank you. Thank you, Chef. Our executive chef, Chef Rajesh. Narasimman. Glasshouse Cafe, get ready. This will be our newly enhanced biryani, chicken biryani, and
There is
chicken
only we will do a
tandoori.
plating. Whoever from our company from Hyderabad, they like this.
They will know this, right?
They know because this is originally from
Hyderabad. Chef, this for the tandoori.
Yeah.
Take the tandoori today. Huh?
Yes, here. See that? Here. Yeah.
Also good. Ramesh, try it. Come on.